Did you know gorillas share 98% of their DNA with humans? Here are 7 amazing facts about gorillas. Gorillas are the world's largest primates, with males reaching up to 400 pounds and standing 6 feet tall. They live in family groups called troops, usually led by a dominant male known as a silverback. Gorillas are primarily herbivores, eating leaves, stems, fruits, and sometimes insects for protein. Gorillas are known for their gentle and calm nature despite their formidable appearance. They communicate using a variety of vocalizations, body postures, and facial expressions. Gorillas build nests to sleep in every night, both on the ground and in trees. Sadly, gorillas are critically endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and disease. Conservation efforts are crucial,